Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own celebrity selfies video in just a few clicks using Hailuo AI. And yes, it's super easy and you don't need any edit skills at all. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Hailuo AI app. If you don't already have the app, just open your Play Store and search for Hailuo AI and then just download it and install it. Once it's installed, just open the app and sign up using your Google account. It's super quick, no complicated forms, no waiting around. And the best part, Hailuo will give you 300 free credits to try out their features right away. So you can create a bunch of videos without paying anything. Later on, if you want to keep going, you can subscribe for more credits. Okay, after your account is ready, just tap on the template, this one, tap on it and then just scroll down or search until you find the celebrity selfies template. This one, just tap on it. And then just try now. And here's come the fun part. Just creating your prompt. It has a format and it's super simple. Just type your celebrity name, then the word in, and then the location that you want. For example, I will type my prompt like this. You can get as creative as you like. Imagine your favorite celebrity visiting your hometown or your dream vacation spot. And once you have typed it in, just tap generate and let Hailuo do the magic. Okay, let's check the video. Oh, okay. Actually, it's pretty good, but one of the facial details look just a bit off. But overall, this is really impressive. The background, the colors, the vibe, it still looks like a photo that you totally show off on social media. Okay, that's it. Just a few clicks and you have got your own celebrity selfie video ready to share on social media. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!